10 and states my dishwasher's making a burning smell. Let's get a cycle started and see what smells come. Let's visually inspect everything. Something caught my eye. What is that? Someone partied a little bit too hard and melted their shot glass right to the bottom. The dishwasher heating elements get very, very hot. Hotter than anyone could ever imagine in an environment that is very wet. But, you know, when anything happens to touch them, they are more than happy to eat it, destroy it, melt it, you know, make it disappear forever. Then I noticed the door was a little loose, so I'm just going to tighten up the bracket that it locks to, button this one all up, and call it good. All done with this one, on to the next.